Hi, welcome to the fifth tutorial of our Drawsember challenge. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw this leaf with dewdrop using oil pastels. So let's get started. I'm going to use these kids oil pastels for this drawing, and you also need some cotton buds for blending. I'm using this masking tape to mask the edges of this drawing. It will help you get a sharp and straight border in the end. So first of all, I'm going to make a rough outline, and you can use any lighter grade pencil like B or HB for this purpose. And then I'm going to lighten the outline afterwards using an eraser. Now I'm going to use this light green or parrot green pastel and fill the whole leaf with a base layer, and then use the cotton buds to blend this base layer. Then use your dark green or leaf green pastel and add the second layer, especially in the upper portion of the leaf, just like this. And again blend this second layer using cotton buds. I was drawing the oil pastels for the first time in my life, and I'm not sure about the quality of these pastels, but I'm pretty sure that this smooth paper I use for my graphite drawings is not good with oil pastels, because as you can see, the cotton buds are scraping the pastels off from the paper. I used this white pastels for the highlights in the lower portion of the leaf, but it's not sticking to the paper because you need a rough and textured surface for oil pastels. I used the black pastels for the contrast in the upper portion, but again I didn't get any satisfactory results as well, because the paper texture was already filled with two different layers and it was too slippery to pick up this third layer, and it faded away after blending. So for the dewdrop in the middle, I just used the pressure technique to make this rough outline and tried not to blend it too much, because it was so frustrating at this moment. I added this main highlight using a correction pen and then used the black pastel again for some corrections and contrast around the drop, and used the same black pastels for the background. And I did not blend it the background because these are cheap pastels and the black color has a brownish tint, and I would have to add another layer of black on top if I blended it. But still, I really enjoyed this episode as a whole, because my main goal for this Drawsember series was to get out of my comfort zone and try different mediums, techniques and stuff I always wanted to try but couldn't get enough time or courage. So yeah, it looks like a kid's drawing, but I'm happy I tried the oil pastels. I'm definitely gonna give this another chance on a rough and textured paper in the future and see if I can improve or not. So I hope you are enjoying our Drawsember series, which is a month-long challenge where I will upload one tutorial every other day. I designed this for absolute beginners so everyone can join me in this fun-filled drawing challenge. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.